15th, May 6th, May 7th, sorry. Almost 2 years old, June 26th, she'll be 2. Go stay in there. Singing. Go singing.
Huh?
Go sing. Go sing.
Okay. Say okay. Today's first birthday. She is 2 years old.
Let's see birthday. Who's the birthday girl? Who's the birthday girl?
Aiden. He didn't let it know me. This is awesome! Lollipop day for Chicken's birthday. Oh, mommy.
Hi, Faye. Happy birthday, Faye. Today is June
What's up,
26th.
dude?
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. We're
2007.
gonna do this.
What's up, dude?
Stop, Christian. I don't like
Sit
that.
down.
There's Julian. There's Faye. There's Daddy. Christian, turn around here.
Move back. Sit down.
Christian.
What's up? Have my lollipop. It's my box. I'm 5 years old. I'm gonna go first grade. Bye bye. Back to Julian.
Okay, wait. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. If you don't sit down, I'm not gonna do it. Sit down. Sit down. You better not blow this cake. This is face cake.
Faye.
Okay. Ready? We're gonna sing for Faith. Ready? Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Faye. Happy birthday to you.
Okay,
Hey, blow, Faye.
Julian.
Oh, Daddy, you gotta light it here for Faye. Faye, birthday to you. Blow, Faye. Blow.
Oh, do that.
Again.
Do
Watch her if she don't get her nose in it. One more time. Yeah! Wow. Happy birthday, Faye.
I love you. God bless you. Okay, let's eat cake.
But you can have it outside.
You already blew her cake. Don't.
Again. Don't even touch it or eat it. I want this part.
After you guys eat cake, you're gonna go to bed.
Oh, but we.
Don't bust nothing.
Birthday.
Happy birthday, Faye. Faye. How old are you, Faye? Faye. How old are you? Faye.
Faye.
It's her birthday.
Can we get the cherry?
Oh. You want some? Suzanne.
I want the cherry too.
Huh?
I want to let
Not
her
just cherry. Daddy, will you get cherry?
Don't touch. Daddy do. Don't
I
touch.
like cherry.
Do not touch. Daddy will do. Do not touch.
Cherry.
Daddy will do.
Me.
Do not
Me.
touch.
I want cherry.
Faith gets the cherry. It's her birthday.
Give them all
I want
cherry.
cherry.
Give them all
Everybody gets cherry because we got enough. We got 5.
That's right. Life's too short.
Don't touch that.
Faye. Happy birthday, sweetheart.
I want strawberry. I want
Good.
Heck? Yes. Right there.
Right. Okay, eat.
I want that pop.
Are you gonna eat? Okay, don't no eat your cake.
Papa.
Yeah, eat your cake.
Papa.
Eat your cake, sweetie.
Papa. Happy to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Daddy, you big. Man.
You are done, Faith? You're not eating?